Celsius Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The Celsius Wallet app is a crypto interest and lending platform that lets you earn passive income on digital assets. Most people get this wrong by assuming it's only a wallet. The surprising truth is that it functions as a full ecosystem for earning, borrowing, and managing crypto. Pros include high-yield interest accounts on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins, along with crypto-backed loans at competitive rates. The app is intuitive, offering real-time portfolio tracking and transparent interest calculations. Security measures include two-factor authentication, cold storage, and encrypted backups. Users can also earn rewards in CEL tokens, Celsius native currency. Cons include custodial wallets, meaning private keys aren't fully in user control. Regulatory changes may restrict access in certain regions, and interest rates are subject to change. The platform has faced scrutiny in the past, making risk management important. In conclusion, the Celsius Wallet app is ideal for users looking to grow their crypto holdings through interest and loans. Beginners will appreciate the simple interface, while advanced users can optimize returns with CEL rewards and lending features.